In today's video, I'll show you how to add subtitles to your YouTube videos. It's a quick and easy process that helps make your content more accessible to viewers. First, upload your video to your YouTube channel. You can set it as unlisted or public, depending on your preference. Once your video is uploaded, open YouTube Studio and select the video you want to add subtitles to. Click the pencil icon, Details, next to your video. If the subtitles option is unavailable, don't worry, we'll enable it. On the left sidebar, click Subtitles, then select Set Language. Choose the language your video is in. For example, if your video is in English, select English and confirm. Now, you'll see that the subtitles option is active. Click on it to view or edit your subtitles. YouTube may take a few moments to automatically generate them, depending on your video's length. Once done, you'll see the subtitles appear under your video, ready for your audience to read along easily. And that's it. That's how you can quickly add subtitles to your YouTube videos. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.